How to get an invoice on the Amazon app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. So for this, you can go ahead and check out your Amazon application or head over to amazon.com. The first step is to log into your Amazon account if you have not yet. Now from here, you need to go ahead and click on the user icon at the top. Under orders, click on see all button. Now if you have placed any of the order in your Amazon account, you will find all of your orders right here in this section. All you need to do is basically find the order for which you need an invoice. At the side of the order, you will see the option View Invoice. You can click on the invoice and you can print out the page or even take a screenshot for your own record. So this is how you'll be easily able to get yourself an invoice on the Amazon. Wasn't it simple? If you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you can check out the customer service of Amazon. And that wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.